ordered this INNZA laser hair removal. It came with to remove hair, to remove hair, and I love it. More than 10 weeks now, and about 90% of hair are gone. Very little spots that have hair left, and still I'm using once or twice a week still, but I love it. The only thing I noticed, couple of spots where hair was turning gray after using it because of this. That's what I am noticing. Other than that, it's lovely.
Why are you like moving it back and forth? This is what it looks like out of the package. It does say for you on one in a test spot, kind of like dyeing your hair, I guess. But either way, it also comes with some, so you're supposed to make sure you're wearing the glasses before you do anything. This button right here turns it on. It starts heating up. I have it on 3 right now. It's optimal, so I'm just going with 3. And then you just put it on here, and you're not supposed to look at it. There you go. Like that. So I do have some tattoos. Obviously, I have to stay away from the tattoos. It's just as simple as that. So far, I like it. I'm not sure if it does anything, but I'll keep you posted, and then you turn it off.